Each Aimsio account provides access to a substantial amount of data, but some of this information may not be pertinent to every user. Aimsio makes it easy to adjust how your reports are presented and can remember your preferences the next time you return. By default, Aimsio will store a user's column preferences each time they log in. To ensure your preferences are saved, always sign out at the end of your Aimsio session. If, for any reason, users do not want their preferences saved, they can click on their username and select User Settings. Uncheck any box under Active to prevent Aimsio from storing any preferences from that point forward. Click on Clear to do a full reset of any preferences currently stored. Users can rearrange the columns in their reports and place them in their preferred order. Just click and drag any column header to move it in place. This feature is compatible with the majority of pages and reports in Aimsio, but select pages, like master data, may lock its primary columns in place. Users can also adjust the width of any column on a listing page or report, and Aimsio will store that preference too. Users can hide columns by clicking on the icon located on the far right of any report. This will pull up a list of the available columns. Click on any column name to hide that column from the report. By default, all columns are made visible the first time you log in. Most pages in Aimsio provide a number of filters that can quickly influence which data is in front of you. Filters are great for quickly finding forms for a particular job or identifying forms by status. Many reports can be exported to formats like CSV with your filtered parameters. These parameters are only stored for the currently active session and will reset to their default state when a user logs out and back in. Select Pages and Reports in Aimsio will support organizing your data into pivot tables. This is useful for users looking to quickly total numerical amounts by a common value, like a client. If the listing page or report you are viewing supports a pivot table, you'll find the icon located on the far right. Select your desired row fields, followed by the available column fields in the report. Currently, Aimsio supports aggregating revenue or quantity values. Once your preferences are set, click Apply and Show. After users have applied their pivot table settings, they can toggle between the pivot view or change the settings of their pivot table at any time using the icons on the far right. For more tips on getting the most out of your Aimsio account, visit our Help Center at support.aimsio.com.